Hey, hi, welcome back. This is going to be the last video in this series of how to make more money in your business or career and make it faster. And basically, what it boils down to is do everything that you can to make yourself more valuable and become an excellent communicator, especially in the area of asking very good questions in the right way at the right time. So, what do you do beyond all of that? Well, you just keep doing it. You pay attention, you learn, you keep getting better, you keep improving. Constantly increase your value. So times are going to be good, times are going to be bad. If you're an employee, the most valuable people are the ones that businesses keep when they're laying off others. If you're valuable to your customers, you're the one that they're going to keep. Your business is the one that they're going to keep while they're cutting back in other areas. So make yourself valuable as an individual. Even if you're a business owner, doesn't matter. Become as valuable as you can be. Keep learning from the world around you, observing others, asking good questions of people that are successful. Keep learning, keep increasing your value, keep delivering great stuff for whoever your customers happen to be. If you're in business, it's your customers and clients that are using your products and services and saying good things about you. If you're an individual, an employee, it's your internal customers and clients, those people that depend on your product to do good things in their jobs. And you offer a very positive contribution to the overall success of the business. So if you do those things, increase your value. One of the best things you can do to become valuable is you learn to communicate well and ask great questions. Then you're going to move up faster. You're going to do better. You're going to make more money. You're going to be able to ask for more money because you're worth it, and you're going to continue to do well. So I thank you for watching this little series on how to make money and make it faster, or make more money and make it faster. If you enjoyed it, please recommend it to other folks. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't subscribed yet. And I thank you so much for watching.